Okay, so on this video I will be unboxing the Asus UX482E device. So it's a laptop and this is how it looks from inside. It comes in this cardboard box. It's come in with a cover case. Nothing special inside the box. Corner covers. It seems to come with this letterish looking cover. Or it's fake leather. Actually, I don't know. It feels very plastic. There's like some magnets. And here's the actual device. Asus ZenBook Duo. So let's open it up. Clearly need the knife or something here. And this plastic seems to open very easily. Just some advertisements. Asus ZenBook Duo, the laptop of the tomorrow. It's in this plastic cover. Throw that away. Nobody needs this one. Well, let's check the device bit later. Let's see what's in the box. So it's some kind of ergo stand for the device. I think this has to be glued somewhere. In the other box there's a charger. It doesn't even seem to come with the instructions. Well, those are in a PDF files anyway these days. Good thing that there's such a thing. There's the cover, the double screen, and it seems to open up very nicely. The design seems to be very nice, and it's not even very heavy. I think it was something around 1.2 kilos, I can't remember, but still under 2 kilos. In this side there's the micro SD card slot. Sadly they didn't put the SD card slot. I don't understand why the micro one, it cuts down most of the SD cards. 2 USB-C ports, they're all charging ports, HDMI port, and here's just the regular USB spot and microphone placement here, and just some notification lights for the device. It seems to be a very nice looking laptop. So this one is a touchscreen, second one, and this one is the main touchscreen, the bigger one. And there's the trackpad, and with the mouse board, and the computer seems very nice. So that's basically the unboxing for this product. So this one is the Asus ZenBook Duo and with the end of the number stuff. I hope you liked the video. So I didn't notice there in the box still was this stylus pen and the instructions, so nobody even reads this anyway.